So now we have deployed the application. We should see it quite fast on the device. So you can verify the installation starting with the file itself. So check out C Windows and then control update. There should be the control update.ps1 file. Also in the schedule tasks, you should see the control update schedule task, and it will run after 30 minutes after installation. Also check out the registry, so you will see the settings, and once we trigger the schedule task, just to speed up things, you will see the status and KB folder getting generated. So now the Windows Update scan starts off, so we will see that the next scan time will change, and also there will be some KBs listed in here, so we will see a status of the KBs. So it will take some time because the first scan always needs some more time, so the next scans are a bit faster, and also the device is still in progress of setting up. So it was just enrolled. So we see next scan time is the time of the status of the settings, so 10 hours plus 2 hours random time, and we will see that it already started and completed the first downloads. What we can see here is the title, when it was detected the first time, and also the download and the download status. For example, if the download failed, it will write down download failed and the timestamp behind it. So the download of the cumulative update for June will take some time. The other updates are already downloaded, so we are just waiting for the CU to get downloaded. After that, all KBs will be installed, and we will also see the different status here. So we will have reboot required or installation completed. In the meantime, we can check the trigger. So the script will start at every startup, just to make sure that if you're during a maintenance window and you have automatic reboot activated, that the device getting installed and finished installing just in time. So now we see that the download is completed and the first KB will be installed. So we just need to find, start installation, and the next status will be hopefully installation completed. So you see the installation status is reboot required, which means we need to reboot the device to finish the installation. Let's see if we can find an update that don't require a reboot and hopefully gets installed successfully. So now we've seen the installation status is installed. So if there would be an error during the installation, we would see the installation status and then the error behind it. So the solution will always retry to install the update till it gets installed